Hello, so in this video I will tell you how you can install drivers in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you are facing issues related to drivers like the graphics settings are not showing, maybe your speaker is not working, your microphone is not working, or maybe like you have connected an external monitor and that is not working with your laptop. So we are going to see how we can fix these kind of issues. So in Windows 10 or 11 you have to install drivers after installing the Windows. So I recommend you to watch this video completely because you may think that the process is very simple but actually it is not. So to install the drivers you have to click on this Windows icon and you will have to type updates. So you have to open check for updates. I am again telling you to please watch this video complete. Otherwise you may think that it's too simple and you may end up with the same problem. So first of all you will have to click on check for updates. So this will take some time and it will show you some updates that are needed. Maybe it's a the system is up to date, but we will have to install the drivers that I will tell you once this process completes. So here you can see it is installing one update now. So now you can see it is installed as well. So to install the drivers you have to click on this option, view optional updates. So a lot of people do not install these updates and that cause the driver issues. So you will have to click on this button over here and here you can see driver updates. So you can check mark all of these and you can click on download and install. So this will install all the drivers in your laptop. So you can see biometric driver, mouse driver. So this will make these devices work with your system as well. So once all of these are downloaded and installed, then you can restart your computer or your laptop, and after that you have to come to this place again and then again click on view optional updates and install all of them. So you may see some remaining updates again as well, so you have to install those as well. So make sure your system is up to date and all the drivers and the Windows update are updated regularly, so you will not face any of these driver kind of issues with your laptop or your system. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.